Hey there! It's been a while since my last video, so I thought I would just give you a quick tutorial on how to completely remove a build from Kodi, giving you a blank canvas to start again completely from scratch. Now, as you know, as good as some of these builds are, over time things can get a little slow, links can stop working, or you've just plain had enough and want to try something else out. Some wizards do offer a way to clear your current build, but they can sometimes leave behind unwanted files or add-ons, or even sometimes just leave the app completely broken. The way I will show you now will be like you just freshly installed it, leaving you ready to completely start again. Okay, so first, from the home screen, make your way over to the settings icon. Now find your Applications section and click into it. Once inside, head down to Manage Installed Applications. When your list of applications appears, just make your way down to the Kodi app and click on it. From the next list that appears, we want to head down to Clear Cache and then click on it. After that's done, you can now head to Clear Data and click on that one also, and then click OK when the prompt appears. I like to do this a couple of times just to make sure. But you will now see in the information box on the right that the data has all but disappeared. Now those steps have been completed. If you back out and make your way back to the home screen, you can now go into your Kodi app and you will see that everything is completely back to as if you had just installed the app. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.